Okay.
Hello, good morning, Kabin.
Good morning, Lisa.
I'm happy to see you today.
Yeah, thank you. I'm happy too.
Okay, so how about Kabinbury today?
Oh, it's so very hot because the rain is not came down.
Okay, how about the
And you?
here? Oh, it's okay. It's normal. Yeah, the
You
weather
stay
is
in the Sukhumvit,
yeah.
Sakeo.
Later,
Oh,
I go to Sakel in the afternoon. Yes,
mm,
I
nice.
finish video call with you, and then I go.
Oh, okay.
I'm happy
Lisa.
to see you.
I'm happy too.
Okay, so how about for today? How do you plan for today?
Today I plan for the primary teacher, the regular section, to teach in the classroom and correct record about the radio with
Okay.
them.
Oh,
Everyone's so exciting because
excited.
the student is a teacher
Oh,
in
I
the class.
see. Can we see them? Can we see them?
Huh?
Can we see
Oh, you see that? Oh, there, there.
them? There you are.
Okay.
Hello. Oh, you're working hard.
Oh, you see
Oh, for today. I give you heart, mini heart for today.
that? Serious, serious. Everyone serious. Oh, I'm serious.
Yes.
Worry about. Okay, Lisa.
Okay, so they're going to have the teaching clips. Okay, teacher Yaya, can I share you some of the suggestions so that teachers can apply when they have the video?
Yeah, yeah. When I applied because yesterday, more than 20 minutes cannot send to you. And
Oh,
today I'm going to prepare the radio or the video again.
you just make 10 minutes. It's okay. 10 to 15 minutes. Don't make 20.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Here, the technique that we do here is teacher can create their own YouTube. They can put on
Mm-hmm.
YouTube and we can watch there.
Yeah,
When we
yeah.
say, okay, from the link, you can put to the school YouTube already. You transfer the whole
Okay, okay.
time. But
Maybe I've talked to teacher Ta, everyone to send the video and check everything is good to
yeah,
send the school YouTube. Okay.
yes, ถูกต้อง Okay, I share you the paper so teachers can practice, okay?
Ah,
Can you see the paper? I will share you now.
okay. Huh? Lisa? Lisa?
Yes.
Okay. The paper.
Okay, can you see the paper now?
Not yet.
Huh?
Ah, okay. See.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes. I have here some suggestions so that teachers can use that when they're when they make the video. Yeah, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe the
Okay.
teachers can practice by themselves or they can practice with the Filipino teachers. Uh,
Yeah.
other,
Everyone to talk to Filipino teachers
yes,
about like that.
yeah. So that we don't waste or we don'tเสียเวลากับ mistake we give them the
Mm-hmm.
suggestions by the way. Okay.
Ah,
And while
ah,
the teachers are preparing, they can practice this paper.
ah. Okay.
Do you have something to say?
So thank you very much to the Filipino teacher to teach about my teacher at the Kabinbury because someone cannot speak, cannot read, and your Filipino teacher to teach them is improve about the English. Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah, we try to help one another. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I give you the paper so that I won't take your time so you can make more clips. Okay?
Okay.
Good
Okay. Thank you,
luck.
Kalisa.
Yeah, what do you?
Bye. And you want to talk to Teacher Ta, right?
Oh, same,
Teacher
same.
Ta name you. Huh? Okay. You want to talk with Teacher Ta?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Minute. Huh? 1 minute. One
One
minute.
minute.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Kalisa. Bye na.
Okay, okay.
Bye bye. หืมต่อเลยมันลีฟแล้วลีฟยัง
ต่อตรงนี้เลยค่ะ
ค่ะ